So we have another series question. 1 plus the sum of the series 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 4 into 7. This is just the even numbers, and this is the next odd number. So if you look carefully, for some questions like these, when you talk about series questions, some are easy when which was like the previous one, but in these terms, in these questions, you have a small trick. What is that? The same formulas are going to repeat, so you have to get a hold of them. So here we can find the r term. Means let's say there's a rth term in middle of these, we can find out that. So what is that? If you look closely, this is r plus 1. So you can get that this is r plus 1 into 2r plus 1. How do I say that? Let's remove the 1 for instance. For this, if you keep r as 1, see 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So this is the r term formula, we got it. So let's multiply. What is that? 2r square plus r plus 2r plus 1, which is equals to 2r square plus 3r plus 1. So all you got to do now is take sigma from 1 to 11 and don't forget to add the 1, which we'll do in a few moments. So r is equals to 1. Here the last term is 11. 2r square plus 3r plus 1. So all you got to do now is expand this and use the property I've told you, use the two properties I've told you before. So after doing that, you get 2 times, this is r square from 1 to 11. So 11 into 12 into 23 upon 6 plus 3 into 11 into 12 upon 2 plus 1 is going to repeat till 11, so 11. So after you do the calculations, you get the answer as how much do we get? Yeah, finally got it. It is 946. So the sum of the series of this variation up to the 11th term, we got it as 946, and this is a JEE 2019 question. So have a look. So we have got another question from JEE 2019. So let's read. Let A1, A2 and so on A30 be an AP. So it's telling the 30 terms, let's take 30 terms and be it an AP. S is equals to a value, T is equals to a value, and he gave A5 is equals to 27 and SL minus 2T equals to 75. Then find A10. So what can we do over here? So let's expand it. So if you closely observe, he told us this is the AP. When you expand this, you get it starts with I equals to 1, right? So A1 plus, since it's the same common difference and I goes to 2 the next time, it will be A1, A2 and so on A30. And he gave this that this is an AP. So therefore we can tell that this is the sum of terms of this first 30. So n is equals to 30, so 30 by 2. This is, let's apply the sum of terms formula. 2a, which is 2a plus n minus 1 means 29d. So 30a, sorry, we get 20A plus 435D. Let's take 5 common from here, which is 6A plus 87D. So we got a S. So let's find our teeth. So it's 15 terms, but this is an AP. So let's take the common difference is 2D. So we get T is equals to n by 2 times 2A plus n minus 1 times D. So it is 15, right? 15 by 2 times 2A plus n minus 1, 14D. Oh sorry, it's 2D, right? The common difference is 2D, so it will be 28D. Which we get it as 15A plus 210D. Let me just erase. So what we can do now? 2 variables, 2 equations. We can solve A and D and finally get A10. So we get okay, we can take the twice of this and let's take this as equation 1, this 2. So we can do 1 minus 2 times 2. This implies here when you multiply it by 2, 30A and 30A gets cancelled. So we get 435 minus 420 times D is equals to, oh we don't know this value. So what we can do is we can, this is 5 minus S minus 2T, right? Equation 1 is S, 2 times T is equals to 75. This piece of information. So this is 15D is equals to 75. This implies D is equals to 5. We got a D, so let's substitute in an equation. We have to substitute in the same thing. So what can, A5 is equals to 27. So 27 is equals to A plus, this is 5, right? So it will be n minus 1. So we get A plus 4D. Let's send 4D over this side. So A is equals to 27 minus 4 times 5 is 20, which equals 10. Completed. Now all we got to do is A10 is equals to n is equals to 10, right? So A plus 9D. What is A? A is 7 plus 9 times of 5, which is 52. Completed. So let's do another question. So let A1, A2, A3 and so on until A49, B and AP. So we have 49 terms that are in AP such that sigma A4K plus 1, K equals to 0 to 12 is equals to 416 and A9 plus A43 equals to 66. And find out the expression from m, value of m from this expression. So let's expand this at first. Okay, let's do this first. So A9 plus A43, right? Let's expand it in terms of A and D. So it will be A plus 8D plus A plus 42D is equals to 66. This implies 2A plus 50D is equals to 66. Let's take this as first equation. Okay. So for the second one, what can we do? Okay. Let's take the same thing, sum of n terms of an AP. So 416 will be equal to, okay, so when k equals to 0, it is A0. When k equals to 1, it is a5, and so on until a49. Okay, so what we can do is the same. We have to expand a plus 4d, so on, plus a plus 48d. Okay, so there are going to be 13 terms. So we can take a 13 common from 13 plus 13a. So 13a plus what will we get? Yeah, d times 4 plus 8 plus so on until 48. Okay, so you can take 4 common and it will just become 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on until 12. So we get 13a plus okay, 4d we can take common. So 1 plus we discussed that 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on until 12. So which is going to be equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So which is n is 12 into 13 upon 2. So 6 times and what do we... Okay, we can even cancel by taking 13 common from here. So we get 13a, this is 416, plus we can take 13 common from here. So 13 times a plus 24d. Okay, 13 times 3 and 2. So this implies we got a plus 24d is equals to 32, and this is the second equation. We have two variables and two equations, so let's solve it. We can take twice, we can do 1 minus 2 times 2 because there is 2a, and for cancelling we can use 2a over here. This implies 2a minus 2a gets cancelled. 50d minus 48d is 2d. 32 times 2 is 64. So we get 2. So finally we got d equals to 1. Let's substitute in this equation. So this is going to be a plus 24 is equals to 32. This implies a is equals to 8. We got this both. So what is he asking? a1 square plus a. We can what can we do over here? Okay, we can substitute the values. Now a1 is a, right? So it is going to be 8 square. Since d is 1, we can get a consequent sequence. 9 square plus 10 square and so on until 8, 6, 24 square, which is equals to 140m. Okay, so here we can use a small adding on both sides. This is 8 to 24, right? If I add squares of 1 to 7 on both add and subtract, then this is going to be sum of squares until 24. So when let's add over here. So when you add, we get 1 to 24, so n is 24. So 24 plus 1 is 25, times 2 is 48, plus 1 is 49 by 6, minus, we have to subtract that 2, right? So 7 times 8 times 15 by 6 is equals to 140 m. So after you solve, we get m is equals to 34. Yet another problem of JEE 2018. You can have a look.